Yeah? Yes? Gatson, could you confirm, please?
Yeah, we can see your
Okay,
slides.
great, great. So I'll be talking about our program. Currently, this program is offered at Colombo and Candy branch. Okay, moving on. These are my lecture panel. We have a dedicated five lecturers, including myself, it's six lecturers in our faculty. So as you can see, these are the hierarchy structure. Me leading the team. I'm having Amma Panchali. She's the senior most program coordinator who's been with us for last 2 years. And she's leading the overall degree program coordination, and Mr. Mahela, he is leading the HND Biomedical Engineering program, and Sajida, she's leading the coordination and lecturing of biomedical science. And we have another lecturer who is not mentioned in here. This is the program team. We have Mr. Etiraj, he's having a master's in biomedical engineering. So just to let you know, the three coordinators, all of them are having degree holder. They are all having the degree in first class. So give an introduction about myself. I think this our moderator today, she has given a very fantastic introduction about myself. But to keep it simple and short and sweet, I'm reading for my DBA at the moment. I have completed my master's, MBA, and I have finished my BA and honors in biomedical engineering with a second class upper. And I finished my HN in biomedical engineering. And well, I have more than 12 years to 14 years of experience in the healthcare sector. So what made me to start biomedical engineering? My Gatson is one of our seniors where we all studied together. The main motive of ESOFT was to create technically qualified biomedical engineers in Sri Lanka. So that is what we do here. So I will move on to the slide explaining how we are doing it structurally. So basically, the programs we offer here is from level 3 applied sciences to HND. So what do you mean by level L3 diploma in applied science? Means students who doesn't want to pursue after O levels to do A levels. That means like anyone who doesn't have an interest to do A levels and straight away they want to get into a healthcare qualification, they can do it by joining our diploma in applied sciences qualification, where it's a 8 months program where most of the things which is needed on HND level for a student to have the qualification and the knowledge, and also the A level qualification which is needed for an engineering student for a biomedical engineer is covered in that diploma. So basically it's a 6 months academic, and we give last 2 months for a final project. Well, this goes on the blended mode. You can join either fully online or you can visit physical as well. Then we go into the two HND programs which is currently available. That is Higher National Diploma in Biomedical Engineering and Higher National Diploma in Applied Sciences specialized in biotechnology. So the main objective of this qualification is all of these three qualifications which is displayed in this presentation is an UK qualification. Even the diploma you are getting from a awarding body known as SEG UK Awards. SEG. SEG UK Awards. So basically you are getting it from there. And the HND is also you are getting it from HND also you are getting it from Pearson qualification. That means Pearson is the largest awarding body in UK, and basically what they do is they basically award higher national diplomas in different fields of programs globally, right? So you are so our HND is also is a UK qualification. So basically anyone having planned to migrate abroad to do their final year, they can do the HND with us, and after that they can migrate, right? Okay, so basically this is the minimum qualification if anyone wants to join our program. Let's say if anyone wants to join it after O levels, they should have minimum 3 passes, and after A levels they should have 2 S passes, right? So after one, this is the structure. So anyone joining after O levels, as you can see on the right hand, on your left hand side of the screen, they are having a diploma in applied sciences. So you do that, then you do the HND, then you come to the degree. And if you're after A levels, you can also join this program. So there's another part of this is that this program is totally assignment basis, nothing exams related. And okay, to the viewers, you might see this and say, okay, it's just 2 S passes, right? as these people are fully doing a fully qualified qualification. Look, the UK qualification works like this. They never judge a student. Education qualification should be available to everyone. That doesn't mean you are subjugating our level. The minimum, to pass is a minimum a student can get the least level to pass a qualification. So S means simple pass. So even if you become a fail or if we cannot accommodate you, right? So that is how you can come and join our program for our HNGs. Okay. And the best part is once you come for the final year, you can do it with us. That is awarded by London Metropolitan University. You will be offered the degree B and honors in biomedical engineering. So you will get a dedicated title known as BEng. So bachelor's in engineering in biomedical engineering will be your qualification. So let's look into the diploma in applied science. What are the things you're going to learn? What are the modules? What are the credits? And how many hours? So basically, these are the key areas. As I said, A level is a huge scope, and students who wants to join our program after doing the O levels, we have basically, subjugated in the sense we have summarized to small level, so these students can understand the basics and the relevant theories required for a biomedical engineer and a biomedical science student. So the things will be covered is biology, physics, chemistry, mathematics. You will be having IT programming, especially you will be learning about electrical and electronics. You will be learning about medical instruments, the basics, as well as you will be learning a little about nanomaterial and polymer science. Okay. So the last part, nanomaterial and polymer science, as you are aware, we are reaching to a new level in our world. What do you mean by new level? That means we are everything getting adapted to AI. So that means AI mostly work well when you go into the minute level. So basically they can even calculate things in the minute level. So nowadays the medical instruments are mostly dedicated to go to the nano level things they are creating it. So well, it's a big subject to be spoken at a little time. So that's something that we'll be learning. It will be very interesting. Right. So these are the, I said you, it's a UK qualification awarded by SEG, 6 months, and after O levels, you can join our diploma program. Then these are the dedicated module name. Credits are 15. Everything is assignments. So you will be learning. These are the things. These are the modules. Viewers, please take a screenshot of it. So you'll be more interested to later. You can call us and ask for more information. So next we go for our biotechnology and applied science. Okay, what do you mean by now biomedical science? When you speak about it, it's a huge scope, right? There are so many things you're going to learn under biomedical science. We have specialized our program on biotechnology. So students who have completed our program can work in a as a medical laboratory scientist in a healthcare. They can work as a food technologist in a food industry or a confection industry. They can work as a research scientist in a basically I can talk about manufacturing of medical items. They can work in the agriculture sector. They can work in the water management environment section. So it's a huge scope. So we have the state of art laboratory to teach that as well, and you will have a dedicated certificate that you are a biotechnology specialist when you do this HND. Then these are the structures in the HND, and when you come to the 4th semester, you have optional units. Different students can choose their dedicated modules which they prefer to do in their 4th semester. So you can see in the 4th semester, you can either choose nanomaterial and technology, or you can become a genetic scientist by choosing genetic analysis. So it's all up to you. You have the liberty and the freedom to choose what you want to do. And these are the things which I said. If you become a biotechnology HND holder, you can work in either of these sections in the world. Okay, so you will ask a question, do we have enough jobs in Sri Lanka? Yes, we do. We have enough jobs in Sri Lanka because we have local manufacturing coming up a lot, especially in the agriculture sector. Well, they do not advertise they need this and that, but if you visit those companies with the relevant qualification, they will definitely take you. That's how the healthcare biomedical engineers were recruited initially. There was no job vacancies. We visited, but now it is being advertised because that's how things are getting built up. So these are the career opportunities after you finish your degree. So you can see anyone saying that there is no job opportunities. No, that is wrong. There are enough of job opportunities here. Then you can see the demand of COVID after COVID-19, which all of us face. All of them have to do this biomedical engineering qualification without. Okay, because why? The job market is huge. It's huge, and the investment is huge. Every pharmaceutical company requires a biotechnology without a doubt. Okay. Now we come to the subject biomedical engineering. Myself being a professional biomedical engineer. What is biomedical engineering? It is the bridge between electrical and healthcare. So the medical and engineering combined together is called a biomedical engineer. So basically we work with the medical instruments. Any patients, anyone visiting a standard healthcare institute, they require the best facilities and the best services to be given to them so that they can get cured without the pain and in a very stipulated amount of time they need a quick recovery. For that we need to give them the best service by not only by caring but by providing highly accurate medical instruments. So those things, it's a very fantastic job. It's a really mostly what I can say, I can say it's more like earning some good deeds. Yeah? It's like when you do a service, biomedical engineers can get huge credit because they are the backbone of healthcare sector. So let's see about it. So these are the modules you'll be learning. Okay. And you can see this is the state of art latest modules we have introduced looking into the 5 years future. That's what you're going to learn about robotics, you're going to learn about nanomaterials, you'll be going learning about managing a professional engineering project. So many things are there, right? So basically students who have completed tech A-level stream or students who have completed maths, who have completed bio, still they can do it because this is not going to be advanced mathematical engineering because students are worried, if I do bio and if I have not done maths, can't I do biomedical engineering? No, that